These guys squatted down on the roof. They see me recording, and there's two of them up there working, and Terry's down here on the bottom. Not sure if they're doing a flood test or they're just cleaning up the area or what, but you know, if you haven't checked out any of our Facebook groups, we have over 30 of them, and we have a series that's called What's in the Shop. So, you know, whether we do Alliance warranty, Tiffin warranty, back in the day we used to do outdoors RV, we do a lot of Grand Designs, we do a lot of Heartlands. There's a lot of stuff on our lot. We do Brinkley warranty. There's Thors, there's Cougars, there's a bunch of different stuff. So check us out online, check out our website. If you need some help and you're here in the Northern California area, we will love to take care of you. Unlike a dealership, we're not here to sell you a new coach. We're here to help you care and maintain the one you have. Our slogan is basically fix what you can fix, and what you can't fix, come see us. And you know, if we can help guide you or put a tool in your hand, or you know, share with you what products we would use, how to fix something yourself, that's what we do. So, all right, well, hey, thanks again for watching. This is Dustin, your specialist, and this was just a quick message while I was out here running around the lot, and I was just chuckling that these guys were hiding from me. All right, have a great day.